Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have found this cute little fact on Artist by Charles, and I will create this from scratch for you guys. So let's just start it.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So as you can see, this is very simple effect. It has just one puff. This is puff 2D, and this guy Charles created a SubUV for this, and I'm not going to create the SubUV for this, but I will try to create this animation of this puff in material, then I will use it in Niagara. So I will grab this with this add-on GIF scrubber, and now I can check it per frame. I can minimize my articulation and I can watch it here. So first I will not create Niagara, I will create a material. This is my puff, and for this I need texture, because this puff is a round, a torus shape, so I need that. I will open Photoshop, and with that I think because this torus shape is eroding in these bubbles, so I need a texture that can erode this like this way. So I think I have some noise that are blurred noise. I have lots of noise. So let me just search. Here it is. This noise channel texture has 3 channels. This red, this green, blurred. I will use this, and this blue. So to create this texture, you just need to take a render cloud in Photoshop, then you need to blur it with Gaussian blur, and you will have this. So I will use this. I will just select this, press T, and now I have here. So I will use green channel, that is blurred one. And now in Photoshop I will create a 1K texture. I will make it black. Then in new layer I will take this circle and use the stroke like 40. Okay, and then Control T and center a line, then scale it down, and I will blur it, Gaussian blur, this much I think enough. I will duplicate this, and this is fine. So now I will just use my folder path, explore, copy and save puff and ring. Okay, so this is my puff ring. I will use Targa and save, and now it will import here. I will drag it into my material, and I will right click my material and create an instance. So everything that I will do there, it will reflect here, and we can check how it's going. So now I can connect it directly here, and I have this. I want to use, let me check. This is not translucent, this is masked. I will use masked and unlit, two-sided. So I have this ring. Okay, now if I subtract from this ring this blurred noise, how it will look. It is somewhat like this. If you will see, a frame will look like same. So we are on the right track. So now I need to animate this. So before subtracting here, I will subtract this noise and then subtract from my torus. Here I can create a parameter like erode. Later then I will connect it to my dynamic parameter. Save this. It's taking time to save, but it's okay. Now you can see it's eroding. Just need to set the tiling, and this is faded. I need sharp, so I will multiply, or I can just tap this and just put a value here. Okay, 0 is, let it be 0, and just invert this. And same I will use for opacity mask. So I have now this, and I will set the tiling of my texture like 0.5 or 2, or I can just make a parameter so I can check in instance. Tile, save. Now here tile 1, now it's eroding, and I will adjust my tiling somewhat 0.7. So now I can randomize this tiling in my particle system. So I am just checking what the good values, 0.7 and 1. So I will take 0.7 and 1, and erode is from 0 to minus 0.3 or minus 0.35. Then if you'll notice here, if I zoom, or if I'll go to my ArtStation, here if I open a new tab, this gradient here, not gradient but the shadow, this dark part, then this white part. So my is flat right now, it's flat. So to make the gradient, first I will multiply it with a dark color like a gray. Now it's dark. Now I need something white on this and smaller from this, like this one. White part is smaller than gray part. So for that I need one more subtract. I need the lesser value than this. If you watch my tutorials, this is how I make the edge glowing on any character when that destroy or dissolve. So now I will subtract some value that will my offset from actual erode value. So now I have lesser value than this. Then I will again subtract from this value. So this value is higher, this value will be lower because I will use this. Then again I will use this subtract and subtract this value from this, and same thing I will use these nodes also, and I will add this on my actual texture and just save it and check how it will look. So right now it's full flat white because offset has 0. If I increase the value, I have white and gray, but this gray value is same on all side, but here this is random. See, so how to randomize this? And one more thing, this edging, this tapping thing, I'm not fixing it right now because my texture is not very high res. This is pixelating. This is low res texture. You can see the bindings here, and also in this texture you can use high res texture. See the bindings? So I'm avoiding that because this effect will be this much scalar bigger, so you will not notice that. Now I need to randomize this gap between gray and white. So for that I can duplicate this, use the same tiling and use it here, and I can distort this one. And how I will distort this, I will not this one actually, I will connect this again here. I will use this one again, duplicate. This is going here. I will distort this by this texture. So U and add, then multiply this thing, and I will make a parameter here, distort, and when I'll change the distort, you will see now this is offsetting it, and you can now decrease the offset and change this according to your preference. So this is how you will create this, and now you can erode this. So I will check the values and then I will connect the parameters. So tiling will be from 0.7 to 0.7 to 1, offset will be from 0 to 0.03, and erode will be 0 to minus 0.3, and distort will be from 0 to 0.2. So now I will take a dynamic parameter, tile, and erode, distort, and offset. Just save it. And one more thing, I will take a particle color and multiply this thing with color. I don't want to use opacity, just let it be, and save it. And now create your Niagara particle system. I will take fountain. Why it's taking time? Just save all. It can be crash. It can crash system. Today my PC is taking so much time. I will just close unnecessary app. So here I will use this puff. Here remove these extra modules, and I don't need any velocity, I just need some particle spawn. Size will be random, like 50, 20. And now I will take a dynamic parameter. It's really taking time, something wrong with my PC today. So now tile will be 1 by default, erode will be 0, distort will be 0, offset will be 0, and I will increase the sphere size. And first I will animate the erode. Oh god, from 0 to minus 0.3, so it's eroding. Life would be smaller, 0.5, 0.2, and then tile will be random, 0.7 and 1 of distort, random, 0 to 0.2, offset, random, 0 to 0.2, and now this will be scale, and before that I will use this curve, not like this, let it be smooth, and I will take a size, sprite size, and make it float, curve, and from 0 to 1 at 1, and just scale. Or maybe at 0.5 it will be 1. Okay, and here I will make this 0.2 to minus something wrong. Something wrong is here. You can see the full square shape because of this. Now color. So this color, I will not randomize color, I will use one color in one emitter, then I will use another emitter. So this one I will make orange, 50. I will make this 50. And 50, 100. And 780. Then I will duplicate this and make this purple and move my sphere from here to right side on x minus 100, and then I will again duplicate, then blue, then green. So now I will make this blue and move this up on y, z, 100 and 150. Again duplicate this. Now this time I will make this green, and here I will make this 0, and let's spawn rate increase 20, 20, 20, 20. So now we have created our effect from scratch very quickly, almost in material. This is not exactly same, this is better one, I will say. This is look very nice, but this is the way you create your textures like this puff in material. So you can improve this by improving your textures. That I use the ring and the noise. You can use better ring, maybe more thick from here to here. So I hope you liked it. If you have any query, just comment below the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel CGHOW. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.